To generate reports and make them available on e-commerce, there are a few steps you have to do within Xebra to allow this first. So here you will see on this demo e-commerce store, there's the reports tab here. And when you've generated them correctly, you are able to view all the data that's in the customer side on Xebra. But you have to generate these on a monthly basis if that's when the client would like them monthly. You can upload custom reports, and I can show you how to do that as well, but I'll first show you how you get the general reporting area to work through e-commerce. So I'll show you the web user we were just looking at. And these reports here, where it says location against every one, relates to this area here on the web user. So obviously you wouldn't select CSI activity or inventory if the items were just stock sales, because there's not going to be any information in there anyway. If they do, you'd select all of these and ensure that you select the master customer code so that it restricts it just to that client. Now, that's not the only area you need to allow the reports to work. You actually have to generate them through Xebra on a monthly basis, or the time frame that the client wants them. So to do that, you need to exit out of here, and you need to go to this reports tab here. And here you need to generate the reports, and you have to do this every month. So here's just an example for this month. And it's better that you complete all these fields, whether you select all these reports or not. The system seems to work better when all of these fields are completed. You can pick the report date, you can select the one you want to do it for. We can do one for today. And then you can make them monthly or 6 monthly. But you do need to come in here and select generate so that it picks up the new data, or all it's going to do is display the last set of reports that you generated. So this is something you'd have to do periodically, but once you set it up, you'll get this message saying yes, the reports have been generated, and you have to do the refresh for the reports to be seen. So you click OK. Just go back to that web user so I can show you. They're all the tick boxes you selected. Once you've done that generate, you always have to do this refresh because it's new data and it has to send it up to the server for you. So I'll wait for that to refresh. Okay, so you've had 7 new files there, so there's new data. So if we go back to our reporting side on e-commerce, you can actually view them as PDFs. And you go hit back to look at the other reports. Now these reports down here are ones that have been generated within Xebra, created into a PDF, and made available. I'll show you how to do these ones as well, as it's a slightly different process. So coming out of the e-commerce platform, the reports that are standard in Xebra you can view by selecting Go Reports. And you can generate any of these and save them as a PDF and make those allowable for the client to view. So say for instance you want to they want to see what's been ordered for that month. You click the order journal report, you select your date range, you make it specific to that client, you select the details of the report you want to give them, and you click OK. Now at this stage, check that you've got everything you need. and you need to save as a PDF. So you click File, Save as PDF, and save your report. And make sure it's a PDF. And click Save. Yes, you can view it to check if it's okay. Now remember where you've saved your PDF. Go back into Ecommerce, load your client, and you need to click here because you're going to make a catalogue of reports. So you click your master, you click New Item, you can give it whatever title you like. Make sure you've got PDF selected and you want to load the file you've just saved. So there's our Report 3 test. Click Open. Let's put the description in, let's put the date in, you can click OK, and now you'll see that this has loaded that Report 3. Now you've loaded that in, you actually need to assign it to a user, so you can make the report specific to users. So come out of that window, go to your user, and in here I've already set up a reporting catalogue, but you can quite easily make as many new ones as you want. And then you'd add your report. So you can either add it to a new report catalogue, or you can add it to your existing one. So we'll add that one there as well. Okay, come out of this window. Then you need to go to your web user and make sure that down here at the bottom you assign the reporting catalogue to this user. So if I click on search here, you'll see that I've got two. There's that second one I've just inserted, and here's the original one. We'll keep the original one for now. Okay, exit out of there, and refresh your website. New files, F5 to refresh your website, and here you'll see that custom report has appeared here, and you can click view, and there's your report. And this is how to work reports into the e-commerce platform for Xebra.